It's finally getting close to Valentine's Day, which means Valentine's recipes. When I think of a romantic Valentine's Day, I think of a cozy atmosphere. Now, what easy Valentine's recipe could make an atmosphere feel cozy? I got it, a pink hot chocolate recipe. And yes, you heard me right, pink hot chocolate. Keep listening and I will walk you through exactly how to make this recipe. Now, first of all, what do we need to make pink hot chocolate? You are going to need 2 cups of white chocolate chips, 5 cups of milk, 1 tablespoon of vanilla, whipped cream, and pink food coloring. The first thing we are going to do is, using a small pot, heat up 5 cups of milk over medium heat. Remember to stir continuously so the milk will not burn to the bottom of the pot. Once the milk is about to steam, add the white chocolate chips. Continue to stir the milk and chocolate constantly. This will help the chocolate not to clump at the bottom of the pot and will help it to blend smoothly into the milk. When the white chocolate has completely melted, remove the pot from the heat and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and the pink food coloring. Feel free to play around with the amount of food coloring you put in. Make the pink color as bold or as subtle as you like. For a subtle color, put a little amount of food coloring in, and for a very bold pink, put a lot in. Again, just play around with it and have fun. And the next step, which is our last step, is all you have to do is now pour this pink hot chocolate into your favorite Valentine's Day mug and add whipped cream to the top, and you're good to go. That's it. This is a very easy and quick recipe that anybody can do. I hope you found this recipe easy and helpful for this upcoming Valentine's Day. If you would like to learn more about this painting and this recipe, subscribe to my free newsletter over on my blog, reflectingcreation.com. The link will be in the description box below. And if you would like to purchase this illustrated recipe card, head over to my Etsy shop where you can find a digital download available for purchase. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment and like it before you go. Hey everyone, thanks for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful. If you'd like to see more recipes, more art tutorials, or how I make this specific recipe card, please subscribe to this channel to be the first to be notified of any new videos. Also, don't forget to head over to my blog, Reflecting Creation. Over there, there'll be more details on this recipe, written out instructions of how to do it, as well as if you sign up for the free newsletter over there, you'll be receiving a free printable recipe card in your inbox. And if you would like this specific recipe card I made with my art illustrations on it, you can head over to my Etsy shop. Also, the link will be down below with my blog link, and you'll be able to purchase it over there. It is available now. And then before you go, also if you sign up for that free newsletter over on my blog, you will receive a free 10% off coupon for my Etsy shop. I hope to see you over there and see you again on my channel. Thanks. Bye.